folks, Johnny Escato, Third Hand Slots. I'm here at the Yamava Casino in front of the Easy Money Machine. Next to me is
Third Hand.
And we put $100 in, $5 a spin, max bet, to see if we can get some of the top money. It's not the top money game, but it's similar. At the top here, Third Hand, hit the button, and let's see. We need 3 of those easy monies to line up, and then we'll get the bonus. One more. Nope. We got 2 times bar.
That's $20 right there.
Okay, good. There we go. Got it. So we're going up because
All of the highlights.
$55. You try it again. 55 wasn't enough.
What is that?
Hey, it looks like he's going to take the 70. Nothing wrong with that. I had to lift it up there, folks. $70 on that's not too bad. The camera's all wonky now. Third Hand, the tripod is a little off. It's too narrow. Hang on, folks. Technical difficulties. Okay, there you go. Thank you for your patience. All right, let's continue. Kind of loud, isn't it? Not. Some of these older ones don't always have volume, but as long as they win, we're okay with it. A bet return on that one. Get a couple of the 3 of those 2 X's across, so that's good for $1,000. It says easy money. Make it true. Jerry's always good. It's to win. And again. 2 times easy money. All right, Third Hand, time to make the magic happen.
The magic happens with those easy money symbols.
It does indeed. Gonna bet back on that. 3 bars. Hey, here we go. 10. 2X coming into play. And again. Love to see a couple of those 2X's, or 3 of them rather, line up. If you've ever seen that, oh, that was a miss.
Oh, what?
No, it's not up. It's too far up. It needs to be down 1 notch. Oh, that could have been decent. And another tease keeps you on your toes. They look promising, but they have to land. All right, almost done here, unless something happens. Last one, folks, so here we go. Oh, it's swing and a miss. Put $1 in or no? Oh, we got the Flavor Saver version of free spin and nothing. All right, folks. Well, we did give it a try. We'll try something else. Thanks for making time, Third Hand Slots. Take care. Hey, folks. Johnny Escato, Third Hand Slots. I'm here at the Yamava Casino in front of the Buffalo Gold Collection game. I'm with
Me, Third Hand.
live in person, at least to me. And we got $125 in. We're going to max bet this in the 2-cent denomination and see what happens. So $7.20 a spin. See if we can get some of those Buffalo with the 3 gold coins. Come on, 1 more coin. Not happening. See, from the Buffaloes, those are certainly helpful. The generate a flurry of bison. I think the multipliers when it's the bonus round, otherwise they just are like a wild, I think. They're always good to see regardless. That's an actual multiplier.
There's only $2.40.
No, it wasn't much, but it was still a win. Let's just get 3 coins and get some bonus round happening. Not getting much. A couple of elk. You need a spoonful of the bison. Well, this is going briskly. Time to get something good. And here we go. One more. Save. Come on. No. And the last one, folks, is going to be nothing at all. Oh, put me in my place. Nothing at all. So it's a $5. We're going to leave it at that. This machine wasn't really hot. But we'll try something else. And as always, we thank you for making time. Third Hand Slots. Take care. Hey folks, Johnny Escato, Third Hand Slots. I'm here at the Yamava Casino, the high limit room. With me is
Third Hand.
And we are in front of the Lightning Cash machine. This is the Magic Pearl version. $250 in, $12.50 a spin. So we're going to see if we can get the old flipper to get a couple friends and give us some free games, or maybe get a string of 6 pearls here. Third Hand, hit the button. Rock and roll.
We haven't had those flippers in quite a spell, I
Yeah,
think.
come on. Get some friends. Come on, pearls. 3 more.
The volume is there, but just
Yeah, the volume seems a little
somewhat muted.
muted there, yeah. Looks like it's all the way up too. Yep, that's it. It's okay, we don't need a lot of sound, just a lot of winds. Nope. Not much there. Halfway through the money, come on, mermaids are wild. A couple of sea turtles. Got our bet back on that one. Time for some magic. Alright, a couple more of those. Oh, mini is good for 500 if you have some friends with it. Right through hand, time to channel some Muchi power.
I'm channeling. I just need to channel harder.
Yeah, change the channel. Wow. It is a win indeed. All wins are happily accepted. Come on, let's kick it up. Kick it up. Last couple tries here already. And the last one is going to be... Oh, it swung by right there at the last moment. Nothing on Flavor Saver. So there you have it, folks. Another loss, but that is the risk of gambling. Of course, we will try something else, and we thank you for making time. Third Hand Slots. Take care.